Ever stop to think about how the names of things evolve? Cities, companies, even your favorite apps, they often have a history hidden beneath the surface. Today, we're diving into one of those transformations, specifically looking at an investment platform many of you might know and even use. But before it became the Raiz we recognize today, it journeyed under a different moniker. So, what was the old name of Raiz? To truly understand this, let's rewind a bit. Imagine a world where micro-investing wasn't quite the accessible concept it is now. The idea of easily investing small amounts of money, the spare change from your everyday purchases, was still relatively novel. It was in this landscape that a company emerged with a vision to democratize investing, to make it approachable for everyone, regardless of their financial background or the size of their initial capital. This company, the precursor to Raiz, was born in Australia, a market known for its early adoption of innovative financial technologies. Think back to the mid-2010s. Fintech was buzzing, and the potential of using technology to simplify complex financial processes was being explored across various sectors. This was the fertile ground from which our platform would spring. The core concept was ingenious: link to your everyday spending, round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, and automatically invest that small change. It was a seamless way for people to start investing without drastically altering their spending habits or requiring large initial deposits. This approach resonated with a generation looking for accessible and convenient ways to grow their wealth. Now, picture the branding of this early iteration. It needed to convey trust, innovation, and simplicity. It needed a name that would stick and resonate with its target audience. After careful consideration and likely countless brainstorming sessions, the company settled on a name that reflected its core functionality: the automatic, almost effortless accumulation of small amounts into something bigger. And that name, the original identity of the platform we now know as Raiz, was Acorns. Yes, before its rebranding in various markets, including its Australian home, the platform that allows you to invest your spare change was known as Acorns. The name perfectly captured the essence of the service. Just as tiny acorns can grow into mighty oak trees, small, consistent investments can grow into significant wealth over time. The transition from Acorns to Raiz wasn't a sudden one. As the platform expanded its reach into different global markets, the decision was made to adopt a localized brand name in some regions. This often happens to cater to specific cultural nuances, linguistic preferences, or to better align with the local market landscape. In Australia, the familiar green and yellow branding and the name Raiz were introduced, signifying growth, Raiz being phonetically similar to Raiz. While the name changed in some regions, the fundamental principle remained the same: empowering individuals to invest effortlessly and build their financial future, one small contribution at a time. The legacy of its original identity as Acorn speaks to the core mission that has driven the platform from its inception to the globally recognized investment tool it is today. It's a reminder that even the biggest journeys often begin with the smallest steps, or in this case, the smallest change. So, the next time you're watching your Raiz balance grow, take a moment to appreciate its origins and the simple yet powerful idea that started it all, under a different name. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.